Hi, I'm Mike Gregory. I'm the author of Business Valuations and the IRS, 5 books in 1. I, along with Bryant Lancaster, will be leading a mock IRS audit, real-world valuation examples on working with the IRS. This 4-hour workshop with business valuation resources begins at 1 p.m. Eastern Time on September 25th. I'll be playing the part of the IRS business valuer, while Bryant will be engaged by the taxpayer. In addition to this practical exercise, we will give you insight and guidance throughout the presentation on working with the IRS. And I'll end the workshop with 25 golden tips on working with the IRS. Here are 5 abbreviated tips as a preview. Know the most commonly audited technical issues and be prepared to address those. And those are non-controlling interests in S-corps, reasonable compensation, and discount, specifically discount for lack of marketability. Understand the official and unofficial IRS organization. The IRS organization is changing. You need to know why, you need to understand how, and what the impact is on that for you as a business valuer. Discuss information requests before issuance. The IRS has 13 different divisions. One in particular, Large Business and International, has a very informative and expansive explanation. You can request that with other divisions, such as small business, self-employed, and the estate and gift tax program for valuation issues. Don't be afraid to request mediation. All of the specialists at the IRS have been trained in mediation. Don't be afraid to ask for a manager to assist in helping to resolve issues. And take pre-summons letters seriously. You hopefully will never get one, but if you do, realize you better respond and respond timely with the IRS, or the IRS may lay a summons on you or your client that may be very expansive and a lot of work. So join us on September 25th for the rest of the takeaways, and be prepared for your next valuation should you be audited by the IRS. To find out more or to register, go to bvresources.com/training. Again, that's bvresources.com/training. Thank you. Hope you can make it. Take care.